So these are the basic things, guys, about your tech training. Okay, so training goes for 2 to 3 weeks. Means this week we started a training. Means next week is also will go. Another week means third week you have to face the version test and interview also. These are the basic topics we are going to learn about operating system basics, hardware basics, operating system, networking, and mainly their troubleshooting, hardware, operating system, and networking related, hardware related, OS related, networking related troubleshooting. You have to know it. Basic troubleshooting. Okay, these are the things. Okay, just for information, I am telling this kind of stuff, guys. The getting selected, how to get selected in a, is what is this process? Already, Sir Prakash sir and Ruxana madam or Amulya madam, someone will told you what is the process, right? But I'm telling one only in my side as I know the information. I'm telling this part. Okay. So your interview, your selection is first one is Versant. It is a communication skills. Say English communication skills, your reading skills, writing skills, listening skills. Okay, reading skills, listening skills, writing skills. Like that, you have a skills, no? So like vocabulary and it is a computer based. Means through online you have to do it. So computer based test. So we are there is no personal interaction here. So once your soft skills trainer will guide you, soft skills trainer will guide you how to go through this version test. Once you pass in this version test, you go for a technical interview. HR interview. Okay, first one is you have to complete this one. So purely communication related one. Technical interview and HR interview is the next in line. Okay, so I am talking in a technical interview manner. Technical interview. Okay, the interview is the technical interview is actually technical or HR interview. It is a face-to-face interview. Means, of course, you no need to go to HCL office. Neither they won't come to HCL our Savantis office. Okay, it is also online. It is also online, but the person, the interviewer will talk to you. Interviewer who is going to talk to you, ask questions directly. So compulsory, guys, for version test and your technical interview and HR interview, compulsory proper laptop or desktop. Okay, proper internet connectivity, headphones compulsory. You should wear a headphone kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm telling about a two major points, guys. One is in technical interview, they ask about your personal things. Means you know the answer. Your answer, I don't know. Next one is technical questions, personal based questions they will ask. Interview will ask technical questions and personal based questions they will ask. Okay, personal based questions there. Personal means you know that one already. So tell me about yourself. That everybody knows. Tell me about. My point is not only just yourself, all about yours, all about your things. If they can ask any question, guys, they can ask anything, anywhere, any corner they will ask. There is no out of syllabus concept is not there. It is an interviewer. Interviewer want to test your skills. Interviewer want to test your skills and whether you can or you cannot. Okay, so how you speak, how you are more creativity to construct a sentence about your birthdays, for example, about your birthdays, okay, about your village, about your hobbies, okay, about your hobbies, about your parents, college, friends, movies, anything, anything, favorites, about your favorites. Which one you want to? Okay. So anything they will ask, you have to speak about it. So how to do it, guys? Of course, your soft skills trainer is trying to help you, but from your side, guys, you need to practice. You know already, everybody knows how to tell about yourself, but at the time of interview, you have to give more clarity speaking. Some may people are much smarter, like they easily tell about anything, about a village, about a traveling, about their hobbies or colleagues or friends, anything they can able to tell simple way. Some people know the matter, they have very good way of constructing the sentences, but they can't able to speak sometimes. I'm talking about mainly for them, guys. Daily, whatever it is, whatever the thing come to your mind, start construct the sentences in English. Okay, so you need to talk to anybody because no one is help you to get with your English communication, right? You have to speak to your wall or maybe on monitor, put one camera, so speak to your camera, or do some Instagram reels. Okay, so at least to do it some like it is your practice. So that is important. So practicing for interview is very important. Okay, so you are reading more about a reading. Daily reading is important. Daily practicing how to give an answer, that is important. How much technical skills you have, how much reading, learning skills are have. So you have to speak. Okay, if you speak, other person will understand your ability to communicate in proper way. Easy way, word sentences, constructions, choose the words. So you practice, then it is very easily will tell. You don't practice, you will go do murmuring kind of stuff. That's the point. Okay. Weaknesses and strength. Weaknesses, strengths and weaknesses. Your goals, like your short-term goals, long-term goals, short-term goals, long-term goals. Another one, where do you want to see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? Any questions? Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years or a 10 years kind of stuff? Okay, different kind of stuff, different type of questioning is there. Okay, all personal based question. Mainly a few questions I am telling. Okay, so please practice those things. Okay. For example, guys, if you are from non-IT background, non-IT background means maybe you are a mechanical or a civil, okay, electrical, like this, non-IT background people are there. So then question is, why you choose IT? Why you choose IT? If you are from IT background, IT means IT, CSE background, means computer side. And question is, common question, why you choose this profile? Which profile it is? Service desk analyst. Service desk analyst. Why it is not showing errors? Because it's correcting automatically. Or an analyst, system analyst, or any word they use it, but it is the overall is service desk analyst. Why you choose service desk or a profile as a service desk analyst? This is very important questions. Okay. Next, you are from different location and your job location can be different, right? So you are willing to relocate anywhere in India, yes. But why? And can you work in a shifts? Yes. Why? So everything there should be an answer, guys. Important, guys. Any question, speak positively. I will tell these two things. You are from non-IT background. For example, you are electrical background or maybe mechanical background. Okay. So why you choose IT? IT is fast growing. Lot of opportunities in a IT industry, fast growing industry. Okay, so to go to IT industry, we don't require any kind of background computers kind of stuff. You can easily grow in IT and you can keep learning IT technologies, which is easily available nowadays every time, everywhere. So I want to learn cloud technologies. That is another question. What are the technologies to learn? And which technologies you want to learn? Which technologies you want to learn? Okay, that is there. So I want to learn about a cloud, I want to learn about a Python, data science related, or I want to learn about a networking related technologies like CCNA, CCNP, or Windows servers related, or maybe Linux servers related servers technologies, data center management. I want to learn. I want to learn about more about a programming side or automation side. Automation is good word. Okay, so automation side. Like that, you can tell different type of technologies you heard or you know, at least to a few lines, basic things know about. Like for example, so new technology came, like what is data analyst, what is cloud platform, what is Salesforce. Okay, so if you know any the technologies you heard about it, know what is what.
Sir, what will be our responsibility? They are asking why you are going for automation. Sorry, you are going for automation or you want to learn automation, then why service desk?
You're going for automation. Why? That is one question is there.
Hello? Am I audible, sir?
You. This is small.
My question was, if you are interested in technologies like automation or data analyst or operations, then why you are choosing service desk analyst here?
Very good. Very good. That's exactly a question. That is exactly a question, guys. So you are interested in automation, networking, or you are interested in cloud platforms. Why you want to choose this service desk? That's a very good question. Actually, that is the question you will get it. Okay, so that's the point here. Okay, yeah. So why you choose service desk kind of stuff. So service desk is the best entry level job in the IT industry, guys. There is a lot of different opportunities, direct opportunities also there, but sometimes not. Sometimes not. As I've seen, not every company is recruiting directly. Like I learn CCNA, I learn MCSA, I learn Linux. But no company offered me directly that yeah, you learn CCNA, come and join. They're asking for a basic experience. But why you choose service desk is that's a question. It's the best entry level because you don't require a specific technology now. You need a basics of hardware, networking basics. If you learn already, it will be added advantages here. Okay, so it's the best entry level job into IT industry. If you keep adding technologies, so you will grow into the IT industry in a different sites of IT profiles, networking engineers, server engineers, cloud administrators, cloud architects. Okay, so I am telling big names, guys. It won't be happen within a 1 year kind of stuff. It will take 1 year to 1.5 year. So you have to add, you have to learn the different type of technology. What technology, which technology you want to choose, which technology you want to choose, which one you want to add up to your profile. So then it we can divert your profile from service desk to that particular technology wise. Service desk is a common word, guys. It's a from low level like a L1 to L2, L3, L4, and different technology support. Some service desk people support networking related. Some are supporting server related. Some are supporting application related. Means application servers. That kind of related people are there. Some people only for delivering packages. For example, I said no, Google is updating. There is a team to update the remaining Google servers. Once Google done a update application is done, they will deliver to automatically. They will deliver to different servers and test whether it is working or not. Okay, delivery people also there. So in IT industry, different profiles are there. Normally, IT means people think software engineer. So it's not required to be you are a software engineer. You can choose different sectors. Data center administrators are there. Okay. So IT service desk is a best entry level job into the IT industry. So once you are add up with the technologies, so you will be grow into that very easily. That's the point.
Okay, thank you, sir.
It's a good question. It is. That's exactly a question. Okay. If you are not selected for this profile, what do you do? Guys, always, whatever the question it is, okay? So whatever the question it is, always give answer positively, positive answers. So if you are not selected now, then you will try another time. You will add more technologies without wasting your time. You are interested now to learn. If you don't learn earlier, now you are understand basic networking in our classes, basic hardware related, or maybe interested in a server related. Okay, so you will attach. So you find lot of free resources are available. So you will go to the certain free resources, keep learning, keep adding to your profile. Okay, so you will try get into the IT, whether it is this profile or any other profile, you will get it. So by adding up your technologies, that's a simple. Always don't be overconfident, don't be reckless, guys, but always speak positively. Don't speak negative words or a negative kind of stuff in a HR interview. Why? Because that is the manipulation of interview, frankly say. Okay. So, of course, you should have knowledge. That is the first thing. But always, like some people always speak negatively. That is not good at any IT environment. Okay, like this, there is a lot of questions we were getting for personal based questions. So anything, this is another questions. Rate yourself. If you are already having some learning is there, you already learn about certain technologies. Rate yourself yeah, on your technical skills. It is hypothetical, so no one will tell, no one can rate themselves. Okay, so if you rate, also, what is the limit of technology? If you take CCNA, you learn CCNA, you will 10 marks. You are working on a Cisco routers and switches, 5 marks only. Okay, so no one will tell that is how much you are explorer. That is even no one can get 100% on it. Okay, but you can tell. So in a particular technology, you have this much of skills knowledge learning. Your learn or practice or implemented. So based on that, you can rate. Okay, so don't go with the below average. More than average. Always rate more than average. If it is a 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 8, 9, 10, even if you don't have good knowledge on it, no problem. At least you have a basic knowledge, rate yourself 7. Like you think you have knowledge. If what happened if he is not agree. If you won or if you win 1 million, guys, 1 million means in rupees it is 10 lakh rupees, nothing you will get it from it. But if you win 1 million in dollars wise, it is bigger. But the question is standard, whether it is, they don't mention it is a dollar or a rupees. But the question is, if you win $1 million, can you still working in HCL? Of course, guys, if I'm in India, if I won $1 million, I don't work in HCL. I will start. I don't even start a company. Just I will go and take rest. Okay. So if it is a tax-free money, then this is double happiness. Okay. I will buy a house and I will buy 10 houses. Then I will give it to rent. I will take the rent. Then I will take rest. and I will do all this server kind of stuff on my own happily. So no need to worry to learn any things kind of stuff. Yeah, this is another question. What do you know? What is this? About Savantis, or how do you know about Savantis and HCL or any other companies? What do you know about Savantis? What do you know about HCL? What do you know about Cognizant? What do you know about Microsoft? What applications? Okay. What applications like a Microsoft Word application, Excel, PowerPoint, many special application. For example, you are a mechanical person, AutoCAD, ProE, CATIA. There's different applications are there. MATLAB is an application is there. So any application you are working, a specific application, you are working one up or multiple. What applications you are known? Any application you are known or worked on it. Okay, so not only these questions, guys, there is so many questions in the personal based questions are there. Just if you don't agree, then I will show you some of the questions. This is got by one batch, so I will show you. So from here, self introduction about service desk, troubleshooting, blue screen of death, IP address. Do not ask any questions to interview. Don't ask any questions about Office 365. Explain your project. Your project. Okay. About your college. About your city. About your weakness. How do you think HL is right place for you? Okay. So where is our document? Okay. So this kind of question, there's you have to think, you have to put an answer for this one. So it is. What do you see the major challenges? So while communicating to US clients, okay. So this is all about yourself, favorite it is, and project. Don't forget your project. Explanation about a project kind of stuff. Talk about which topic is not present in the resume. So you will put everything in your resume, then you have to talk about it. So what is the topic you are not mentioned in a resume? So those things you have to tell about it. Yes, like this, there is a certain questions which is helps us. Okay. Why I'm giving these questions in the day one is these are all personal questions, guys. There is no technical questions in it. All questions you have to practice, find different questions, different answers. Like one person asked very beautiful question it is, like this cross questioning, cross questioning, hypothetical questions are there. Okay, hypothetical questions are there. So find out those questions and try to practice how to answer for that particular questions. So that will give a easiness at a time of interview. Okay, that's the part I want to tell in the first. In technical interview, I'm not giving any technical interview questions now. Some technical questions. Yeah, that's the point that I came. The technical questions, I don't give any specific technical questions for now. Even I will share one document is there for technical questions and personal questions, client handling type of questions are there. But what are you are having a knowledge on the technical part? What are the things we are going to learn? So I will tell about only 2 to 3 points. One is what it is, what it is, what is a computer, what is a CPU, what is RAM, what is ROM, what is the IP address, what is MAC address, what is NIC, what is switch, what is router. Okay, what is an IP address? Already I told you. Okay, yeah. What is an operating system? What is a Wi-Fi router? What is a modem? Okay, so what it is, and what about it? And explanation. Next question is about it. Explanation. Okay, I will keep it both the things on one side only. Explanation kind of stuff. Okay. Second, so 2 parts, 3 parts are there. So this is, guys, differences. Difference between this and that. Difference between RAM and ROM. Difference between hard disk and SSD. Difference between switch and router. Difference between hub and switch. Difference between incident and problem. Difference between incident and service request. Whatever you learn, guys, always a differences. Difference between TCP and UDP. Difference between OSI and TCP IP. Difference between IPv4, IPv6. Difference between IP address and MAC address. Okay, so always differences. For anything you take, differences. Difference between private cloud and public cloud. Difference between this service and that services. Okay, always differences. When you are already you have a technical knowledge, good. If you are learning now, that is also good. Whatever you learn, what are the things you have? Okay, guys, always what it is, what about, explanation about it, and very important is the differences. This is the first thing. Okay, and of course, there is a troubleshooting type of questions also there. Troubleshooting related questions. Now, in HCL, people are asking troubleshooting based questions. Troubleshooting means any issue is occur, how to fix it. You got certain issue scenario, you got certain issue, so how you resolve the issue. Okay, what is the possibility of why this issue is occur, how to resolve the issue. Okay, so these are you have to keep in mind while you are learning about technical things. Okay, and these are the things daily you have to practice. Daily start with at least half an hour per day, guys, separate time. I am telling frankly, yes, when there is an opportunity to learn. That is the best thing. Okay, so I will start tomorrow. Then it becomes so many tomorrows, almost like a first 365 days, next another 365 days, 1000 days, 2000 days. Even it has happened to me. From tomorrow onwards, I will start this particular chapter, particular technology I want to learn. I've seen today that is enough for me. 5 minutes completed. Okay, from tomorrow will continue. From tomorrow I will continue. That is will danger, guys. When you got a chance to learn. Keep doing it. You will be have to passion about learning. Opportunity is not just a chance. Forget about an opportunity. Also, when you got a chance to learn, keep learn. That will fix your career. That will keep your career moving upwards. Keep it in that mind. Okay, so this is about your classes, interviews and all. Guys, when is your Versant test? when is your technical interviews, HR interviews, that kind of stuff, I don't know. I'm only give the training. I don't involve in any matters. Just my personally, I'm giving this information. Instead of giving in a last class, I'm giving in a first class only. Because at least you guys will practice these basic things. Okay. And also for technical also will give you. Do not send any personal message in the WhatsApp. Don't call me for anything. Okay. Until unless you need a technically certain help, it's okay. But still, you have any doubts about your version test or your any information, put it in a group only. Either me or someone will give you information. Do not give personal messages. I don't give reply also. Personal calls also usually I don't give. Follow daily notes, WhatsApp, a kind of stuff. Okay. So take a small break, guys. After that one, we are going to discuss about a system configuration, how to check CPU, RAM kind of stuff. Okay. Any doubts or anything? Any questions?
No, sir.
So take it 15 minutes of break, 5 p.m. Okay. Yes. Guys, just now anybody join also please tell me. I will add your names into attendance sheet.
Sir, will you be sharing the recording?
I will share the recording.
Okay, sir. Sir, will you be set or will be back by 5?